Hello everyone. Today I'd like to show you how to fix an iPhone that won't turn on. If you tried switching it on and nothing happens, don't worry. I'll walk you through several steps that may help to get your iPhone work again. Let's start it. First try to press the power button, and if nothing happen, like 20 seconds. If nothing happen, you can put your charging cable, and
It's
if
9
that
o'clock.
doesn't work, maybe we need to force restart your iPhone. uh, to force restart your iPhone, you have to click the volume button and volume up button and the volume down button, and then you have to press the power button for 20 seconds, and let's see, is it working. So first press the volume up, press volume down, and then 20 seconds um, power button. Let's see whether it's turned on. Let's try one more time. Press up, press this, and then 20 seconds. Oh, there you go. There you go. It's working now. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching.